Alright, in this video we're going to scale this PDF drawing we just brought in. It's not to scale right now, so we're going to scale it using the matching points method. The first thing we're going to need to do is create a couple points. So let's hit the back button, go to the job, and we're going to try and look for something that would be a good reference point. Alright, so this dimension line says 10 feet. That'll work as a good reference from the drawing. I'm going to use this point and this point as the drawing references. But now I need to create 2 points that are in the same orientation and 10 feet apart. So I'm going to go to my drawing list, click Add a Point. That name is fine, and this coordinate is fine for this example. Just keep in mind it's going to move that dimension line to this point's location. So I'm going to click Add Point. Now I need to create another point that is 10 feet to the right on the x-axis. So I'm going to click Add a Point. I need to change the x-coordinate to say 10 feet, so click here. 10 feet. Click OK. And click Add Point. Let's hit back. I'm going to zoom out, see where these points are. There's x6 and x7 should be 10 feet to the right. I'm going to hit back and we're ready to do this. So let's go to the drawing, click Scale and Rotate, click Matching Points. Alright, it needs a drawing start point. So the way this works is you're just going to select a line and it'll give you 3 points that you can pick from. It's going to give you 2 endpoints and a midpoint. So what I like to do is select this tick mark, and the center point is going to be the one I want, and that's right at that intersection of the dimension. There we go. Alright, that's our first point. So we're going to click Next. Now we need the second point from the drawing. I'm going to go over here, click that to highlight that line, and then pick the middle point. Alright, that's good. And I'm going to hit Next. Alright, now it wants to know the first point. Alright, so the first point is going to be x6, and what's going to happen is that point there is going to move to x6, and then the other point will be, and the whole drawing will stretch out and it'll move over to the second point at x7. So start point is going to be x6, click Next. End point is going to be x7, highlight it, click Next, and there we go. So now when we zoom in, x6 and x7 are right at that dimension line intersection. So it made the drawing bigger and it moved it down to those 2 points that we had made. So right now we're evaluating the result, and I think that it looks correct. Let me zoom in more. Alright, x6 is good. It's right on that tick mark. x7 is good. Alright, let's accept this by pressing the check. And now this background drawing is scaled. And you can use this method to also move drawings to places you want to move it. You don't necessarily have to scale it. If it's already to the right size, you could just move it, maybe to match another drawing you already have. And you can also use it to rotate the drawing. So let's go back and just double check some more lines. So I'm going to hit back. I'm going to go to the plan view. So I'm going to click on Job. Then I'm going to click on Applications, Calculate. that line is supposed to be 14 feet, and it is 14 feet. This line is supposed to be 6'6", and it is 6'6" and 1/16. So like I said, there's always going to be some variance when you're converting PDFs into a background drawing. But this one worked out pretty good. And as long as you understand that it's not absolutely perfect and you can work with that, then you're good to go.